Okay, well, this is Kirby playing Civ 5. I'm very sad because I just lost an episode of footage. So this would be episode 4, but I think I might end up having to make it episode 3 because I believe I just lost an episode of footage. But what I did was I founded 2 new cities, made an embassy with my opponent, who I'm going to blow up soon, and got a great profit. So I will now found a religion. I will found the religion of Holy Kirbyism. And since I am a Jew, even though I do not believe in God, didn't need to know that, you didn't hear me at all. But yeah, I really just want something that gives me whatever. I will just have gain science production, I wonder? Or just like gain science overall? Oh god. I wonder, do they have different ones of these? Not that I want to have it or anything. But no, they don't. Okay. So I'll just take Judaism, customize the name to Holy Kirbyism. Oh, made a mistake there. Can I go back? No. I have to delete the whole thing. Okay. I messed up again there. Kirbyism. Okay. And I will take I'll take the PAL primacy. I'm not really worried about that. How about tourism? I don't think that comes in later. 1% production? 1% more than what I have? I don't really think I need that. It's not much. Oh, I don't. None of my cities are gonna get specialists. I barely know what a specialist does. I'm gonna have to look that up. Okay, well, you know what? I've spent long enough on this. All these swords into plowshares. Found a religion. Yeah, of course I want to found Holy Kirbyism. Wait, what's a relationship with Kathmandu? Um, may I ask how Kathmandu got so happy with us? Why would they have gotten so happy with us? Oh yeah, I remember. We awed and inspired them. Well, I'm just gonna protect you. Pledge to protect. Yeah, I want to hope that too. But I doubt it's gonna happen because these guys are getting mad at me. Construction, cool. These guys are kind of getting mad at me. They're not liking me right now. Yeah, growth bonus, met a city-state. The unit needs orders. Which unit? Yes, you. I want you to auto-explore. Immediately. Immediately finds ruins. This is showing off my point. Game, you are showing my point for me. Thank you. Pyramid. Yeah, I know. Oh well, whatever. Ooh, I found another ruins? Whoa, it's like a whole new city over. Oh my god, that's so awesome. This is just like a whole new place over here. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm happy now. You are going to auto explore. As are you, I guess. No, you can't auto explore yet, can you? So apparently they have to enter your territory before they can invoke. Which I guess makes sense. Catapult. But not a ton of sense. What's the stacked unit? The worker? Just auto build something. You too, just auto build something. Are you really going to build? You're trying to build the same thing? Wait, what is this over here? Is one of my guys over here? 13 culture, wow. That's like a whole turn. Whoa. Auto explore, of course. Shrine's being finished off. Next turn. What needs doing? Nothing? Yes. Okay, so wait, what happened here? Bullets. Equips itself with advanced. What? Oh my god. I just became a knight. And I'm not in the medieval era yet. That's awesome. Yeah, as you can see, these games take a long time. I'm expecting each one to take like 5 episodes, maybe. Obviously this is the 4th episode. For me, at least. Not for you, sorry. Trireme. Yay, more exploration. I'm obviously trying to explore the whole map. Composite Bowman. What I really want. So I want... Ooh, I want more catapults. No, what I really want is... what's my next city to finish? Okay, so this guy's finishing the Trireme in 1 turn. So when he finishes that, I'm gonna make the Terracotta Army. And hope that the other guy doesn't beat me to it. Because I'm preparing for war. Yeah, swordsman. I'm gonna build you. Why is my iron not built yet? Don't I have iron from over here? Yes. I should have iron from over here. Are you not working? Are you not working? I don't think my worker is doing anything. That's a problem. That's a large problem if you aren't doing anything, worker. Large problem. So which unit needs orders? You can begin movement down to this city, Rabat, embark, and then continue your exploration next turn. So I'm actually, it's a bit late to do this because he now has 4 cities, so that's going to be really, really hard to kill off. But I think I can take him out eventually. It'll be tough, but I think I can do it because I can definitely outproduce him. I wonder who built that. Okay, my next project that I have to do is... Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. I actually don't have barbarians on. I think I may have talked about this in the first episode. I don't really like barbarians, but apparently a lot of players do. Like watchers, people who watch me. Not many people watch me, but whatever. So, I just looked at a lot of videos, and it looks to me as if people like to watch with barbarians. And I'm sorry, I talked about this in the first episode, but really, I don't like barbarians. I'm sorry. So I'm just gonna keep them off, except once. Once I will put them on, and they will be raging barbarians, but it's only going to happen one time, so you should save it while it lasts. It's gonna happen when I play the Aztec culture, because they gain from killing barbarians. So, I want to kill a lot of barbarians. Really, I think they might gain from killing troops, but barbarians serve that purpose. So I'm going to stop in a couple minutes. Yes, more culture. I'm basically, at this point, just building an army to kill these guys. Because they're getting annoying, and I let them live for too long. All my others, I'm not going to be nice. I'm just going to build units and kill people. Because that's how I play. That's how I play. Trireme? Wait. What troop is this that it wants me to be moving? Wants me to move... Oh, the catapult. Okay, you can go to there. I thought it wanted me to move the trireme. I wonder what's there. I think probably like nothing at all. But you know what, I have a scout and a trireme with a worker in it, I guess. Converging on it, so I'm not too worried. Okay, units. Continue movement towards... Who is my first city to take out? Maidan? Yeah, I totally have more pointy sticks than you. Yeah, I'll take out Maidan first, because this one, Jakota, is his biggest, then Maidan, then Surabaya, then this guy up here, Makassar. And... Ugh, I need more iron. Why are my guys... These workers are huge slackers. You are gonna build a mine. That's what you're gonna do. I don't care whether or not I automated you before. You're gonna build a mine. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Sorry, this was episode 3. Should have been 4. Oh well, lost data. See you guys next time.